Well, happy Shivratri. As of yesterday, I was up till 2 in the night. I had thought even it was just 3 more hours and it would have been 5 a.m. or whatever. But it was difficult, yeah. But see, 2 a.m. I slept, and as of today, I'm very disoriented. I had made a video just before leaving, stepping out. But yeah, it was. I mean, Shivratri. Is a very did you know that among the Indian pantheon of gods, they speak of Vishnu, Lakshmi, uh, Brahma, Saraswati, and Shiva, Parvati, because these are actually qualities that come together. Like Vishnu, Lakshmi, it's like Vishnu stands for maintenance. If you know how to maintain something, that will in the end give you Lakshmi. And Brahma, Saraswati, if you have Saraswati knowledge, then you can create Brahma. And then Shiva, Shakti is recreating something new, so that needs a certain amount of energy, I think, because Shiva stands for the destroyer, right? So this is, I found it very fascinating. So it was Shivratri yesterday, and it was so nice watching the Isha program, like live. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.